Everybody stand with me. I'm gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turn up the color, everything's so cold. Someone's blowing on. I see the kids in the street. Not enough to eat, you and my to be blind, pretending not to see their need. A summer street out, a broken bottle out, and a one-man soul. They follow each other on the freezing road, 'cause we got nowhere to go. That's why I want you to know, I'm starting with the man in the mirror. And make a change. Na 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 na. Oh, I've been a victim of a selfish kind of love that I've realized. There was someone with no home, without a nickel to load. Could it be me pretending that they're not alone? I've been a bit of scars, somebody's broken heart, and a washed out dream. They follow each other on the window sill, 'cause we got no place to be. That's why I'm starting with me. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and all this ash could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and make a change. Na 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 na. Everybody put your hands up. So this is where I say thank you to some very important people that helped me out today. I want to thank Evan, who played my guitar. Everybody give him a huge round of applause. He did amazing. I want to thank my buddies from My Play America who came out today. I want to thank Bob McDade from My Play America who put this whole thing together. He's a champ. He's the best. And I want to thank iPlay for having me on the stage. It's a privilege and an honor. I want to thank the people who came out, especially for me today, my street team, my fans, that little group over here. Hey guys, you got your glasses, right? And I want to thank you guys for understanding this message that I have to tell you today. I'll be right over there if you guys want to talk to me, if you have any problems, if you want some advice or anything. But thank you for supporting my music. Thank you for supporting everything I do. I love you guys to death and pieces. But I have one thing to tell you guys at the very, very end of everything. Don't forget this one message. I need you guys to make a change. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much again. My name is Veronica Kole. I love you guys. Have a great night. Thank you to Casey James, who's coming up here, and the Perfect Gentleman. Let's give him a huge round of applause. Thank you guys so much. Have a great night.